We are really excited with the new features in Iba Hall. We were able to take a residence hall that's been here for 50 years and give it a tremendous facelift. When you walk into the lobby, you'll see it's very fresh and well lit. The ceiling has these lights that spell OSU we're very excited about. You go down into the basement, it's very open now. You have entertainment center and kitchen that's being used all the time by our students in Iba Hall. Living Learning programs are a major component in our housing program, and it allows students to get acclimated to their new surroundings quicker. If you think about students moving to college, it's a whole new experience. And so we try to design these programs around academics, special interest, and are culturally related. We understand that the formula for students to succeed while in college is for them to do well in the classroom and also help them get connected to the campus. And one way to help them get connected to the campus is by connecting with people that they live with. And we think that we created several community spaces to allow students to come together and get to know each other.
This program helped me a lot in adjusting into this college, because when I came here, I feel that I'm the special students because I'm from another country and I feel very nervous and no confidence at all. But after I came here, the students here on the second floor are very welcoming and they like to help me. They made me feel at home.
I was interested in being in a Living Learning program because whenever I got the information about it, I saw all the opportunities and all of the wonderful, wonderful things it had to offer me. Whereas being a first-generation student, I otherwise would not have had those opportunities nor those resources that this Living Learning program has offered me.
Oh, my favorite part living in the Iba Hall is cooking with others. I've been here maybe 1 month and we cooked with people from different countries together many times. Because the kitchen is an open kitchen, so it's to create some possibilities to cause the shock and communication between different food cultures. And it's really fun to cook something with other people from different countries. That's my favorite part of the year.